What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Stan of Ad600 Photography, bringing you back another video today. Today's video is going to be all about another photo shoot that we're going to do in this little alleyway. As you can see, I am with
Jaci.
Jaci, she's going to be able to help us out with this video today. It's going to be very, very quick and pleasant and straight to the point. She got this outfit on, a very, very flowy dress. It's really, really windy out here, so actually the wind's going to help us out with this whole entire situation. And the alleyway is going to help, and we also got the city from downtown going through that type of way. Are you pretty much going to be excited about this whole shoot going on here?
Yes, still nervous.
She's a little nervous, guys. She don't like doing videos. She just likes taking the photos. So, of course, if you don't work with all stuff, it's gonna be down in the description box below. Of course, it would have popped on the screen by now. Are you ready for the work?
Yes.
Let's get to work, guys. Let's go, let's go, let's go. I like it, I'm loving it. Ready?
Yes.
Raise it up just a tad bit. I kind of underestimated your tallness. 1, 2, 3. Stay that right there. I'm gonna go a little further back. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and 3. All right.
Woo.
2 and 3. 1, 2, and 3. Damn it. Go back to that same pose. I'm trying to time because the cars, I'm like, daggone, that car got in my way. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. Good job.
Oh, yeah. I like those. Those are my favorite. Cute.
You know what I'm saying? I'm down for the cause. All right.
Does it look better with some hair over here or all of it on?
I like it with the little bit of hair right there. 1, 2, 3. Like it. 1, 2, 3. Love it. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, you're so cute.
All right. Here we go.
Ready, Freddy?
Yep, I'm ready. 1, 2. 1, 2, and 3. Oh, good job, Jason. 1, 2, 3. Coming in for some 3/4 now. 1, 2, 3. I like that look. 1, 2, 3.
I love these. No, my goofy ass smile.
Test this because I think I may want to get a little bit of the. Give me 1 second, Jason. I don't want to waste all your good poses up. All right.
I had to practice before.
All right, here we go. Just like that, yeah. 1, 2, 3.
I mean, there's enough of it.
Yeah, I see where you're going at with this. Yeah. Took me a while.
Oh,
Yeah, I see where you're going at with this. Oh, yeah, that's perfect too. Yeah, I see where oh, yeah, this is nice. Yep. Stay there. I'm gonna have to block these people. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Ooh, cute.
Lean up against that column right there.
This one?
Yep. All right, now let's do the same thing, Jason, because I can get you right here. Oh yeah, this works out. Get that come over here, just a tad bit, stay there. I'm just gonna hopefully get that, hang on, I gotta wait these cars. I didn't want that flag post sticking out the edge, you know? Oh, here we go. 1, 2, 3, like it. 1, 2, 3. Fucking cars. I don't like that look. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. You know, car just came. Wait. Hold it. Hold it.
That's working out.
That's the way the lighting hits.
Ooh, it's
really
dramatic.
dark. Dramatic.
I like it.
All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Bring your head down, tap. Yeah, thank you. Hang on. Hold that pose.
I like the plant.
Yeah, I was trying to work with that plant there.
I like those.
I was trying to work with the plant. Good. Let me have you step away from the pole. Right there. Yeah. Right there.
Yeah.
That works. Hang on, car coming. Hang on, car coming. Hold that right there. I like that. Hold that.
Oh yeah.
Now you made it in the video. Really hope you enjoyed the work that Jaci and I just put in for you. Now, Jaci, how did you enjoy it?
It was a good experience. It's really fun to work with. You didn't make it awkward.
I did not make it awkward for.
And you had a portable changing station. That was...
Hey guys, the portable change station will change lives around here. They will work with you again and again and again if you know you have a portable change station. Is that right?
Yeah, I don't have to worry about indecency.
Is there anything else you want to say?
Work with this man, he's awesome.
Well, thank you. Until the next video, Jason.
Yes.
Until the next video, you heard it here first, guys. Which will be another one. Peace. I'm gonna let you have the centerfold there. You wanna have the center of the tension there?
No. Nope. Just attach you to the butt.
There we go.
He's poking me. Was I making a goofy face?